In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in PDFs using Zotero. If you've ever worked with PDFs in an academic setting, you know how tricky it can be to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Zotero, primarily known as a reference management tool, also includes a built-in PDF reader with a handy feature for highlighting text, making it a versatile choice for research and personal study. Let's dive into the process and make sure that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be highlighting text like a pro. First, you'll need to open the PDF you want to annotate within Zotero. To get started, simply locate the item which includes the PDF you'd like to work on. This will typically involve navigating through your library of references in Zotero. Once you find the correct item, double-click the PDF file. This action will open the PDF in Zotero's own built-in PDF reader. Zotero's reader is designed to provide a seamless experience, so you don't have to switch between different software. With your PDF open, you're now ready to move on to the highlighting part. Highlighting text in Zotero is quite similar to other PDF readers you might have used before. Begin by using your mouse to select the text you wish to highlight. Just click and drag your cursor over the section you want to emphasize. When your text is selected, you'll have two options to proceed with highlighting. You can either right-click on the selected text or go to the annotation toolbar found at the top of the PDF reader. Both methods will bring up a small menu where you can choose the highlight option. This simple action will transform your selected text with a neat highlight, making it stand out for easy reference later. If you're someone who likes a splash of color to categorize thoughts or themes, you'll be pleased to know that Zotero often offers multiple highlight colors. To pick a specific color, you can explore options within the highlighting menu. Choosing different colors can be a great way to organize your notes on the PDF, such as using one color for important definitions and another for key argument points. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to highlight text in PDFs using Zotero's PDF reader. Highlighting not only saves you time when reviewing your materials, but also enhances your ability to retain information. By customizing your PDF annotations, you create a personalized tool for better understanding and retention, which is especially beneficial when handling comprehensive research projects. Whether you are organizing literature for a paper or simply reading for pleasure, Zotero's annotation capabilities are bound to enhance your reading efficiency. Enjoy exploring these features and bringing more clarity into your PDF reading sessions.